Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of the Max AC channel. Continuing the theme from last year, for this month we will be doing another round of Frugal February, where we'll be making 4 delicious recipes that will hopefully help save you a few bucks by using ingredients you probably already have lying around your house. For this week's episode, we will be making some ramdam. For this recipe, you will essentially only need 2 ingredients, 1 package of Chapagetti and 1 package of Neoguri. If you can't find these specific brands, you can substitute with another type of black bean instant noodle, or another type of spicy seafood udon-style instant noodle, respectively. But if you want to add some protein to this, you are welcome to add some steak, such as some sirloin or ribeye. Or in keeping with the theme for this month, you can even use Spam or another canned meat if you wish. In addition, you will want some salt and pepper to season the meat, and a tablespoon of butter to cook the meat. And you may top this with some green onions if you wish to add some color to the dish. First, we'll want to prepare the pot for our noodles. In a large pot, add in enough water to cook the 2 packages of noodles, and while we wait, we'll prepare the meat. Pat dry your meat, and then cut it into 1/2 to 1 inch chunks. Season this with some salt and pepper, and then heat a large skillet over high heat and melt your butter in this pan as well. Your water should be boiling by now, so drop both noodles in, along with the dehydrated vegetable mixture from both packages, into the boiling water, and cook this for 3 to 4 minutes, or until the noodles have softened. At the same time, add your cubed meat to the skillet, and cook this for 2 to 3 minutes, searing each side evenly. Once your noodles are done, add them into the steak pan, along with both of the seasoning packages and the oil. Add a 1/2 to 3/4 cup of the ramen noodle water into the skillet as well, and mix everything together until everything is well combined. If needed, you may add some more ramen noodle water, but once it's to your liking, transfer it to a serving bowl, and your ramdam is ready to eat. I, along with most people in the West, first learned about this dish from the movie Parasite, a 2019 South Korean black comedy thriller film directed by Bong Joon-ho, which follows a poor family who infiltrates a wealthy family, focusing on themes of social inequality and wealth disparity. But in terms of this dish, it was chosen specifically in the film to highlight the difference between these two families, plus the secret third family living in the basement. The term ramdan actually finds its origins from this film as well, with the word being a portmanteau of ramen and udon, representing the 2 different types of noodles used. But this dish is also known as Chapaguri, also as a portmanteau of the 2 brands of instant ramen used to make it. The reason for the neologism of ramdan is most likely due to people in English-speaking countries not being as familiar with the brands used to make this dish. Ramdan, or Chapaguri, is typically made with the two humble ingredients of instant ramen. But in the film, ultra premium Korean Hanwoo beef is thrown in to represent the mixing of the three families, two poor and one rich, in the one house. Of course, if you're trying to be frugal, I certainly would recommend not using such a cut of beef for this purpose, but you of course can substitute with a cheaper cut of meat to make a less expensive version of this dish. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. In the comments below, let me know how it went if you decided to make it, and let me know if there's anything you want to make next. Like the video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to this channel for more episodes of the Max AC channel. And remember, if you want to stay cool in the kitchen, turn your AC to the max and watch the Max AC channel. I'm done. Nice.